look, the whole community here in Creeslough, but actually further afield, is completely numbed and shocked at what has unfolded in the last nearly 24 hours when this explosion ripped through the building here in Creeslough and did far more damage than that. It ripped through the heart of this community, devastated so many families, it turned their lives upside down, and as the hours have unfolded, we've heard that the death toll has increased now to 9, with the recovery operation still ongoing. This is a close-knit community. It's a community where everybody knows each other, and people are, I know many of the people who've lost their lives and many other injured that are receiving treatment in our local hospital and other hospitals in the region.
And there's, for example, there's teenagers who are handing out cups of tea and coffee for the people here who are working on the rescue effort, and one of the guards remarked that that's the Donegal people for you. I suppose that sense of community going to be so vital going forward.
Look, never did we need people to pull together, to comfort each other, to help each other now than we have after the aftermath of this absolute nightmare. And that is the sense of Creeslough. You could see it here yesterday, talking to people who were on the scene when they heard the explosion. They rushed here to the scene. They were helping getting people out of the building. They were trying to prop up parts of the building. That's what people do. They rush into danger. They look out for each other. Today, tomorrow, the next number of days, there's a different job. It's about helping and consoling those families who've, in the most awful circumstances, have lost loved ones, and being there for them. A community that will pull back tight together, and all the supports that will then flow at a national level in terms of counselling, in terms of trauma for everybody, will be there and now it's been provided. But we can see it already. The local schools open, the GP services open. You know, our coffee stations are providing food and sandwiches and refreshments to our emergency services